Tanishq, and today I am going to demonstrate you how a vacuum works. So let's get started. Here I have one tissue paper, one glass of water, three glass, one box of matchstick, and one candle. So now I will place the tissue paper inside the inside the tray and sprinkle some water onto the tissue paper. Now I will place the candle on the top of the tissue paper and light it up with one matchstick. So after this process I will place one glass onto the top of the candle. Now the flame inside the glass has extinguished. So now let's try to lift it up. So the vacuum is working here. Now there is some water. Let's place some water inside both of the glasses. Now I will try to lift up the glasses with the vacuum. So here you all can see that the vacuum is working properly as both of the glasses are containing water, but the vacuum is able to lift them. So this experiment is successful. I am able to lift it this much height because the vacuum inside this is so much powerful. Let me tell you the reason behind this. The flame inside the glass is extinguished and it has used up all the oxygen inside the glass before it extinguished. So the oxygen created and the leftover air inside the glass contracted and created a vacuum inside the glass, and the excess air is also getting out and there is a vacuum inside it. So that is the reason I was able to lift two glasses with containing water with the help of this tray and experiment with both of the glasses with carrying some water. Thank you. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to the channel, share this video with all your friends and family members, and don't forget to hit the like button and write down in the comments what would you like to see in the next video on this channel.